We are touring this stylish abode with pool for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City. This is near Clark and Friendship. Hi, my name is Howie from Live Realty and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 200 square meters, 320 square meters of floor area, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, balcony, furnished, and swimming pool. It has a carport for 2 SUVs. Let's go in. So as you can see, very modern yet homey ang facade ng house with the wood accents. This is your pedestrian gate. Come on in. To my left, very lush pocket garden right here with the African talisay. Very beautiful. To my right, this is your 2-car carport with lighting details right here. Very beautiful. Hi, doggy. And of course, your pool. Later, balikan natin yung pool. Let's go to the front door. Yan. Ang maganda rito, from the street level, elevated, going to your front door, you have a big wooden pivot door right here with smart lock already. Very nice. Come in. As you enter, makikita nyo sobrang grand ng staircase with the lighting details and the chandelier. This is your living area. Guys, whatever you see right here is included in the sale. Ito solid wooden table right here, your sofa, and your console to my right. Air conditioning is already installed. You have storage beneath your TV area. Now, your dining area seats 8 people. Once again, this is solid wood made on site, guys. Plus your formal kitchen. You have your sink. Let's see if lighted ba siya. Yan, lighted pa ang ating formal kitchen. Sink, storage at top. Ayan. You have your range hood, more storage, your microwave, and your normal oven right here. Plus, more storage underneath the sink. This is your 2-door refrigerator. Then as we go, dito sa likod, you have your guest room right here. Or it can be a bedroom downstairs, guest room, or if needed, an office. Silipin natin. Meron na tayong bed, yung ating TV area, and your closet space na sliding. Very nice. It has a window, a big window para sa ventilation and natural light. Okay. Now, across the room, we have the full bath dito sa ground floor. Ayan, makikita natin. This one is your Japanese toilet, di ba? Very nice, automatic. You have your sink, toilet, and your rainfall shower. We have this very nice tiles sa ating wall, and of course, your shampoo niche. So let's go outside. Behind this door, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo because may personal items yung caretaker natin. But this is your dirty kitchen and your staff room with own bathroom. Very nice. Maaliwalas siya. We are shooting in the afternoon pero sobrang aliwalas ng bahay. Let's take one look ulit sa ating pool. Yan. Ang maganda rito, it can be open para if you have guests, pwede mag-extend dito yung gathering or parties. So yung pool natin, very good size. Yan for reference. Tatayo ako dito. Yan siya. Then, this area is the pool shower dito sa side natin. Okay, and your pumps are there. Okay. Let's go back in. Kahit malamig ngayon, parang ang sarap maligo sa pool. Very, very nice. Okay? Let's take one more look sa ating kitchen area, dining area, and living area. This is so nice. Now, before we go to the second floor, I'd like to highlight one of the details na gustong-gusto ko dito sa bahay na to are the wood details, especially dito sa flooring natin sa stairs. Imagine mo, wooden stairs, tapos metal and wood ulit plus glass. It's a very good combination. Very sturdy ang ating handrails. Plus, we have this amazing light details going all the way to the ceiling. Nice, no? Upon landing, dito guys, you have an area right here that can be a family area with this very nice artwork included. Ang ganda. Alright? And yung wall natin, this is PVC panels na wooden design. Very nice. Now, dito, meron tayong dalawang bedrooms na magkakamukha siya. Mirror mirror sila nung kabila. This is a very good size bedroom. You have your window, your bed, your TV console, and of course, your cabinets are here. May side tables na rin with, ang ganda nito, very convenient kasi merong plugs dito sa side. Okay? And it has its own bathroom. And pansinin natin guys, so even the second floor is high ceiling, no? You have your shower right here, rainfall shower, your shampoo niche, your toilet, and your sink. No? Let's go to the other room. Very nice also. Good size, just like the other one. Your bed, your TV console. This is your cabinets with sliding doors. And of course, important right now is yung ating side table na may plugs. Plus, your bathroom. Ganda. Mention ko lang din na may mga ventilation tayo for the bathroom and natural light. So, press ko talaga siya. Let's go to the main bedroom. Tingnan natin once again ang ating family area plus yung ating view. Dito may view ka. Ito open to below so makikita mo yung inyong living room from here. Di ba? Nice. Plus of course, the chandelier na napakaganda. Now, this is the main bedroom. Super spacious. Very generous yung space na ginawa nila dito. You have your king-size bed, if I'm not mistaken. Then, king-size bed siya with, magandang frame na medyo bulky na frame pero maluwag pa rin. You have space right here. Of course, your vanity is here. Ang ganda kasi ang daming storage ng inyong skincare, or anything na gusto nyo ilagay dyan, plus lighted na rin siya. Imagine you preparing your skincare or your makeup here. Di ba? Very nice. Then we go to the... Guys, may CCTV na rin pala tayo. So ito yung monitor ng CCTV natin. Now, yung mga light details ang nagpapaganda talaga lalo no? Now, this is the main bathroom. Come in. As we enter, makikita agad natin itong clear glass ng ating cabinet na lighted. This is very ideal if you have your collection, bag collection, shoe collection. Napakaganda niyan dito. Imagine mo, protected siya, but kita mo yung loob. Now you have a generous closet space right here with sliding doors. Hanggang dito yan. May drawers na rin siya. Okay. Plus, dito naman yung inyong bath area. So what I love about this is because super spacious, number one, at merong jacuzzi. Di ba? Ito, very nice to on ending a very busy day. Di ba? Mag-relax ka dito. You have your sink, your toilet, Japanese toilet once again, plus your spacious shower area na enclosed. Okay, para yung wet dito lang sa area na to. Alright? One more thing, dito sa master bedroom, meron siyang own balcony at may secret room na I would say is a multi-purpose room, depende kung ano yung needs nyo. So, ito yung inyong balcony. Very nice. Plus, this room right here can be an office, a gym, a study, a play area, whatever you want to use it for, pwedeng-pwede dito. And ang maganda dito, it has a view of your pool. Imagine that. So, press ko dito kasi through and through yung windows natin. Okay? So now let's go downstairs for the recap. This house is priced at 23 million pesos. It has a lot area of 200 square meters, 320 square meters of floor area, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It has a staff room, high ceiling, 2 carports, and very, very elegant ang design with the wood and all. If you are interested to view this property, you may contact me, Howie, at 0956-590-6988. We are Live Realty. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!